In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to enable or how to turn on emergency SOS on iPhone. To enable the emergency SOS on iPhone, this is what you have to do. The first thing I want you to do is this. I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So once you open up the settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down a little bit, just scroll down a little bit. So once you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see where it says emergency SOS. So I want you to tap on that emergency SOS. So once you tap on the emergency SOS, I want you to read everything on this page. So after you are done reading all the things on this page, I want you to turn on the call with hold and release. Make sure you turn it on. Then turn on the call with 5 button presses. Turn it on also. So once you turn these two things on, you have successfully turned on and enabled the emergency SOS on your iPhone. So how do you use the emergency SOS? To use the emergency SOS anytime, this is what you have to do. You just have to press the side button and the volume button at the same time together. Just press together the side button and the volume button, and it will activate, or it will put the emergency SOS in use. So guys, this is how you can actually enable the emergency SOS on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.